Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Btrips token. Ticker symbol is BTR. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, August 10th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed today, August 10th at 8 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed. So it is available now on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BTR, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Btrips, their webpage here is at, let's see here, btrips.app. On there you could find a full document section, a full white paper that will take you over to docs.btrips.io. They also have some socials, so they have a Telegram you can follow at all new Btrips_ channel. 9,557 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token. And their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. 20 posts, blue verified check mark. At all new Btrips, 10,600 Twitter followers, and they just joined in June 2024. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Their market cap right now, their on-chain market cap is $859,550, 18 decimal places on this token, with a max total supply of 5 million BTR tokens. Now, what is this project all about? It says Btrips is the cutting-edge Web3 SocialFi platform that redefines the way you engage with the crypto world. Btrips is more than just a SocialFi platform. It's a dynamic ecosystem where crypto enthusiasts, investors, and marketers converge to stay updated on the latest crypto news, track token prices, and participate in rewarding marketing campaigns. Now, our mission is to democratize access to cryptocurrency information and opportunities, making the crypto space more engaging, rewarding, and inclusive for everyone. Our vision is to create a comprehensive platform that seamlessly integrates social media and financial incentives, fostering a thriving community where users can grow together. We aim to be the go-to destination for crypto enthusiasts worldwide, providing a space where information, interaction, and incentives converge. So Btrips is more than just a SocialFi platform. It's a community where crypto meets collaboration. Join us and be part of the future of social finance. Engage, earn, and evolve with Btrips as we build the next gen of social media and finance integration. So they are listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, LinkedIn. They have a GitHub, Medium, 2 different Telegrams, 2 different web pages, btrips.io and btrips.app, and the Twitter. I mean, tons and tons of socials, pages, all sorts of stuff that you could check out. Now their roadmap, they started in Q3 2024 with a launching new Btrips app, the full feature, sign up event and campaign, community onboarding, and then Q4, we got the BTR Central Exchange listing, so that just happened. Then it says the DEX listing, so that's going to be Pancakeswap most likely because it is a BEP20 token. And then onboarding new communities and community incentives. So it says here they're looking for an expanding user base, innovative features, and community-driven growth. So it says Btrips is strategically positioned to capitalize on the growth of crypto and blockchain by providing a unique blend of social engagement and financial incentives. As more people become interested in crypto, the need for accessible and user-friendly platforms rise. So Btrips aims to attract a diverse user base from seasoned investors to newcomers. By continuously introducing new features and updates, Btrips ensures that it stays ahead of the market trends and meets the evolving needs of its users. And leveraging the power of community, Btrips fosters organic growth through user-generated content and campaigns, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Some of the challenges are market volatility, security concerns, information overload, and user engagement. But by focusing on growth and proactively addressing market challenges, Btrips aims to establish itself as a leading platform in the Web3 SocialFi space, providing unparalleled value to its users. Now, how the token is split up, the token allocation metrics, the pie chart here, 40% of the tokens go to treasury, 10% to staking, so you will be able to stake your tokens, 10% goes to liquidity, 6% team, 16% marketing and ecosystem, 12% private sale, 6% partners and advisors, for a total supply of 5 billion tokens, BEP20 token. And on their document section, docs.btrips.io, you can find the contract address, their BSC scan. If you want to check out the chart, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. In their pinned tweet, it says, big news, Btrips fam, vote on Btrips in the Mexc Global Kickstarter event. So that actually just happened. That is over. And that usually happens with MX tokens, or Mexc Global tokens, I should say. So I am posting at least one more Mexc Global listing today, and that one's going to be listed tomorrow on Mexc. So there will be a Kickstarter event for that token going on today. So you'll be able to check out that video on my channel today. I'm going to post that in a bit. The Pega token, which is Pepe Maga, just got listed today. I did a video on that yesterday. So check out the Pega token on Mexc Global today as well. And yeah, so the token I'm going to be talking about that's being listed tomorrow, the 11th, is going to be the Lunar Lens coin. So check out that video. Check out all my recent videos, hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about the BTR token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.